We're back out here today. We're going to be doing some more work on the brush. We got the grease gun here. We're going to try to grease this up. We greased up most of the points last time when we left. We just ran out of grease. So we're going to go and try to grease this and get it ready to go. And you can see behind me here, we got the brush pile right back here that we've been building up. And we're going to continue working on some of this line and pile up another brush pile farther down the line probably. I don't want to make too big of a brush pile. So stay tuned. Close. Got all the rest of those. Let's go around the other side. See if we got anything else in this. I think I hit this one. Let's go ahead again. Okay. That one's been hit. That one's been hit. This one right here could be missed. Let's go around here. Pick it. On the grappler. Get the grappler here. Greased up here. We already got a lot of grease on it, so just gonna make sure. All right. All right, I think we got everything. Okay, let's go get to work.